The Noodle AI Vulcan manufacturing suite is powered by 3 artificial intelligence engines. The first is Sentinel, that is trained on trillions of data points from sensor waveforms, logs, and environmental factors. It learns the patterns and correlations of how a specific factory has operated over the last few years and the most likely root causes of unplanned downtime and defects. The second engine is Precog, which measures the current state of the factory and predicts the probability and timing of future component failures and defects. The third engine is Pathfinder, which uses tree search to interact with operators to determine the best corrective actions to increase factory uptime and yield. In order to prevent unplanned downtime, operators can utilize the Vulcan Asset Health AI application. Vulcan first senses the state of the factory using Sentinel, which detects operating anomalies and alerts operators based on the criticality of assets. It also enables operators to quickly and efficiently do root cause analysis of historical events. Next, Precog uses its prediction capabilities to alert operators the time when an asset is going to fail, or time to failure, along with confidence intervals. Finally, operators collaborate with Pathfinder's what-if modeling to select the best operating ranges and maintenance actions. The results of these actions are then fed back into Sentinel to continuously improve the performance of Vulcan. Noodle AI Vulcan Manufacturing Suite. The digital transformation of manufacturing is happening now.